It's your boy Jay checking in. Listen up, family. The freak off God has heard enough. Yes, he did put in some pain in his days, but he's asking the judge to vet out some of these frivolous lawsuits, specifically from a man named Derrick Smith. Diddy's legal team is describing lawsuits from Derrick as a decade-long onslaught of frivolous and vicious lawsuits. Diddy asked the court to impose restrictions stopping the inmate from filing additional lawsuits without judicial approval and to have Derrick cover his own legal expenses. Now, ironically, Derrick is serving nearly a life sentence for grape, but the lawsuit Derrick has against Diddy claims that nearly 30 years ago, Diddy assaulted him in Michigan and demands over $400 million in damages. Now, the same Derrick Smith actually was granted $100 million in a default judgment after Diddy failed to appear for a court hearing, but he failed to appear because he wasn't properly served by Derrick Smith. Basically, he was unaware of the lawsuit altogether. When Diddy and his team was notified, the $100 million ruling was dismissed. Now, on Derrick, Diddy's lawyer stated, "This barrage of fabricated claims must come to an end. Plaintiff's frequent filings clearly indicate he has no intention of stopping his meritless attacks." According to Diddy's legal team, Derrick has filed at least 173 federal lawsuits over the years, with many dismissed as baseless. Derrick has also attempted to include celebrities like J-Lo into his claims, even listing J-Lo as a witness in this particular case. Lawyers for Diddy argue that the accusations have no basis in law or fact, labeling them fantastical fabrications. Plaintiff has caused significant legal fees and costs to be incurred by Mr. Combs in a calculated abuse of legal resources. This legal battle got even weirder when Derrick claimed that Diddy visited him in prison to negotiate a settlement, a statement that of course prison records contradict. Additionally, he alleged that he served legal documents to Diddy years before filing the lawsuit, another assertion that Diddy's attorneys have described as a fantasy. Diddy's legal team is now requesting harsh measures to address what it sees as an abuse of the court system. In addition to seeking dismissal of this current case, they have called for sanctions under federal law, including a permanent injunction requiring Derrick to obtain court approval before initiating any further lawsuits. This type of court order is referred to as a pre-filing injunction. It's typically used to curb serial litigants with a history of filing frivolous lawsuits. So family, you tell me, what do you think about this situation? Hit the sub, drop a comment, leave a like. I drop daily content. I'm out.